Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty, Banknifty. We are also going to discuss about one strong and weak stock for 12th of March, Tuesday. In the previous video, which was titled Income Ideas for Monday, March 11th. In this particular video, we have discussed a few things, friends. We have discussed in Nifty, we have discussed that if this trend line breaks, good possibility that Nifty can be sideways to bearish, and that's exactly happened. This trend line broke, there was a downward breakdown, and then there was a retracement, and Nifty continued to fall. We had this particular trend line drawn already, and I told you that this could be your target for tomorrow's trading session, that is yesterday's trading session now. So that's exactly what happened. In Bank Nifty, there was a wedge pattern that I have showed you, and I told you to wait for the 61.8 levels to break, and that's when we can go ahead and short. And I also told you if there is a breakout of a wedge pattern and if it sustains, only then we can go for buying in Bank Nifty. That's exactly what happened. 61.8 levels were broken and there was a retest here. At this retest, whoever bought, I gave you this target, and that target was clearly achieved. So both Nifty, Bank Nifty achieved that target. Sun Pharma, there was a wedge pattern. Those who answered correctly. Yes, that's right. There was a wedge pattern. I also told you that there can be a downward false breakout where we can go ahead and buy. This breakdown happened in the first candle itself, and from there it straight went to target 1, target 2, target 3, and then because of fallen Nifty, Bank Nifty, it also fell. So basically this complete target was achieved in Sun Pharma. HDFC Life, we showed you 3 things or 4 reasons to sell. First reason was this particular breakdown like this. Then there were 61.8 levels that were shown twice to you guys, friends. The first candle itself, there was a breakdown followed by a retest and straight down. And Sun Pharma, the option premium increased by 25 to 30%. In HDFC Bank also, the option premium increased by 25 to 30%. I am talking about at the money call option, friends. So at the money options in HDFC put and in Sun Pharma call. Coming to today's video, we would like to analyze Nifty, Bank Nifty first. You can actually watch this particular video and see what exactly I told about all these 4 stocks yesterday. So while we continue the video for today's trading session, friends, before we proceed, if you are still not subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button. Also hit the like button if you have still not liked the video. So coming to Nifty first, friends. See, Nifty current situation, let's remove all this. Okay, from the bottom to top, if I'm drawing a Fibo, the recent bottom which was made on March 28th, 29th, till now, if I'm drawing a Fibo, 38.2 is where it has come for a retest for the first time. Good possibility that it will retest from here. But if you look at it a little more carefully, there is also a breakdown, a retest, and a fall. Okay, that's what we can see even now. So it is very difficult to judge whether it is going to go up or down. And here let me also show you one thing. There is a clear shoulder. This can possibly become a head, and again there can be a right shoulder that is coming up later, but we never know what exactly is going to happen. At this point, what we could comment is, if in case this levels is broken, okay, this levels is broken, which is 22,507, what is going to happen from the top to bottom? If I'm drawing a Fibo, okay, once the 50% levels are broken, we will still wait. Here we can sell because this will act like a resistance. And if you see the 61.8 levels also broken, that's when our downward breakdown will fail and it will continue to go upwards again. What are the levels for 61.7? It is 22,531 levels, friends. This is what we see. So till then we cannot go long immediately. We will wait for a retracement for sell only. This can be your, see, if there is a retracement, if we are selling, say for example here at this level 38.2, where the value currently is 447, 477, sorry, what will happen is we will have a good risk to reward ratio. We will keep our stop loss just above this level, and we will target the bottom that it was made here, or we can also target this area. That way we are going to achieve 1:3, 1:2.5, 3 is what we can achieve in this particular. We should not be selling at this particular level, friends, because here our target will be so much till here and stop loss will be here. That's how we will continue to trade. Am I going bearish on the market? The answer is no. Current situation is what we are talking about, where we can, if there is a good retracement, that's where we can sell. You may see that it will recover from here, straight continue to go up. That's because we are seeing a level that is 38.2. If you want to buy, you can buy little below this, where we'll have a small stop loss like this area, and we can expect at least this area as target. Second target would be the top, which would also be the all-time high. Bank Nifty, similar story, friends. See, if I'm taking off this particular Fibo, you will see Bank Nifty is also sustaining at 38.2 levels. That's where it is creating a confusion. Okay, so with good possibility, once the negotiation between buyers and sellers happen, they may decide to give a breakout of this trend line. That's when we will enter for a upward target, probably first target here, second target here. When will we sell? We can look for selling options once we draw this Fibo like this, and we'll look for selling options here or here. Here, why? Because 38.2 levels, we also notice that there was a resistance like this. The same resistance has come here, where it has created confusion. There was some negotiation that happened and sellers won the negotiation. Again, when it comes here, good possibility that this area, which was a support, will become a resistance and it will continue to fall. We can go ahead and trade here, small stop loss, bottom or this area first target, bottom second target, third target will be here 50% level, which is close to 47,187 levels. 5-10 points here or there, friends. We cannot judge exactly where it will stop, but that's how we would be trading here. Coming to strong and weak stock. See, friends, I am seeing Grasim to be strong in tomorrow's trading session, today's trading session. That's because, see, this is your trend line. Okay, it broke this trend line and it is continuing to, it has come to retest. It has retested once, twice, thrice. Now, if I'm drawing a Fibo from the recent bottom, that is here to the top, okay, you will see that this retracement is 50% level retracement. We have a breakout, we have a retest, we have 50% support, we also have a proper support zone here. This is your support zone, which was first acting like a resistance zone. Once it crossed it with a breakout, it can act like a support. So good possibility that it will continue. First target will be 22.55, second target will be this area 66, and final target would be 77.78, friends. That is a top here. That's how we can trade on Grasim. Do we have higher targets? Yes, we do, and that would be the finalist target, because that's where most of the people will start booking profits. With that profit booking, good possibility that there is good upward rally that will come, but we will go ahead and book profits as per our technical knowledge at the top, friends. Coming to weakness, we see weakness in Baj Finance. The reasons are simple. See, if I'm drawing this trend line, which is from the bottom, you will see that it has given a clear breakdown. Okay, that's your reason number one. Okay, after breakdown, good possibility that a retest will happen. At the retest is what we can enter here. Second reason, if I'm drawing a Fibo from the top, which is here, to the bottom, which is here. The top is here, bottom is here. See, 61.8 levels is what it gave an opening, but did it sustain that level? The answer is no. It straight fell down. Again, it came to 61.8. This is where, if you look at it very carefully, tell me the name of this pattern in the comment section. Okay, this is the pattern that it made, gave a breakdown, again retest and a fall. That is when it also broke this important trend line that I have drawn. So good possibility that it can continue. First target will be here, second target will be here. In one day, this can be your final target. Otherwise, this can be the bigger target if market is falling, friends. If you have liked the video, do hit the like button. Also hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable day.